Da kajing angnut benang peniar ya ujeli, jong kajing syakri paidbah akabaide ba kayaudi ya kikali. Nakaliang uwe urang ba katem Riboy District, balatip kerteng kum ba Michael Karhunai. Basong basa apo Nongpoh, ula simpat saya gawe pat kesenjam, ban pensuk iki paidbah, ki ba angnut ban thet iki kali asaka. Lani ki motorcycle, hakaba lala ban wara sendon da kawe ke showroom, jong ke company Frank Yamaha hapo Nongpoh. Yakane ke showroom jong ka Frank Yamaha, lawan ba pli paidbah no mantakas ni, dau ba CBCM, ubadei u chairman ka Nongpoh Town Committee. Ubala shimru ya kabanta kumukongsan haka jinga don laro. Kiri upa kumat katany, kiba kuntup ya uba regional karkamni, sekretari ka Nongpoh Town Committee. Uba Ferdinand Karkamni, Presiden ka KSU North Castles District. Uba Silver Star Mensong, rangba asnong ka Nongpoh. Uba Michael Karunai, try jong kane ka showroom. Lembat ki bahing hasem, kumjuru kiru rangba, lembat ki nong kimikmat, napo ka company jong ka Frank Yamaha. Ka Yamaha kabadai ka company ka bahetam hapo kari India. Hakabaide ba kayaudi ya kikali arsaka. Kalala ban pemiru ya shibun teli kikali arsaka, kiba pakatam na kiwi-kiwi ki company, kiba lala ban penhun sisa ya kipaidbah, kiba jusu tenat ban penukam de kikali arsaka lani ki motorcycle. Uba Michael Karunai, ude uwe na kiro rangba, uba don ya kabanta ka bakrau. Hakaban ai ka jing syakri paidbah lengba ki showroom kali, lane automobile. Boper ya kiba ulas dang nadu usnem arjar khandai terter. Kiba lala ban pesuk iki paidbah, kiba angnut ban thiet iki kali, nadu ki kali sau syaka, ki arsaka bat lai syaka. Kiba ulatrish tom ban penyang ikini ki showroom hapo ka Than Nongpoh, kiba kuntup nadu ka Rani Motor, ka Bajaj showroom bat menta saka Frank Yamaha showroom, ka barang suppletion.
Very short time of period in collaboration with Pasa from Shillong dealership. We have lastly can open. We have opened this showroom. Though it is small, I think that with the support from the Shillong dealership and with the support of all the team and my colleague business friend, we can enhance the business because I, as Bajaj has informed and has explained that Yamaha is the department of automobile two-wheelers which is the highest selling in all over India and also in our state Meghalaya. So through Papasa, we came to know that in Klirak also we have the outlet and this is the first in Riboy. So I think with the help of the dealership from Shillong, we will enhance the business not only in Nongpoh, in Jirang, in Patrakma, and then we can extend to Bodihat, to Umsning, to Umroy, and all the areas in Riboy district.
Namdan semua dikintin badkan dan kajing so kedit so kemen berkau bayi ramai adin bayi layan nanti kumno ban ayah ke service juga lembaga Rani Motor dan tak ke Bajaj ang ni apa headquarter jom ke Riboy district imhun dan kata idang saya cucu nak kita kumno ban extend ya ke business ni bat ke service ke jadi nak bentar ke jadi kam kino fungsi nak Riboy ini. Hakaba ilala ban sedang sakan kai Frank Yamaha Showroom ban invite lane ban penia kamat pertei ba mai dan bersin ban trade ban nang penhe susu business ko ni itu ko por ban pensuk ni ki customer lane ki bring ki badal kam ban kamsuk kali kawan ban bagi ni ki kali rip asyaka sipor ai nadan ni ka Maruti showroom ni Rani Motors kaba kalau ai sibun ke service na kabanta jumi dengan ayo kali di barit di bapreng di bakam he Henry ni dan saya sisu anggota ban pensuk sisu yang ni hindi kang nagbanta ba in biang ga business Henry bi ai ke service na kabanta ga jingan kam tingi ke no functional lagi ni kali arsaka te kanlong ka jingontoy ka bakraw ya ka dong Riboy jumi but any scam I hope that from the company also they have chosen the right place, right center in Nongpoh because it's halfway from Guwahati to Shillong. The people from Shillong they can come down to Nongpoh and climb up to Shillong, and the people from Guwahati they can climb up to Nongpoh and go down to Guwahati. It's very easy to go up and down. The scam, ba kami kabut jong ke company, bali ba mai ka kalong ka badan ka madu kata-kata bat ka sotunan do kata-kata kabalik se kanlong ka jaga ka biang baha bagi parlok di bakwa bantin ini kalir insuk bandai banwan ban keu se Shillong bat bandiar se Guwahati hakaba kani ka business kan yat baik Batkan atrak iki perlok jingi om tang kita ki national highway. Andre di Shillong bisa kendong pun bisa tak mak jirang sekitar umden boy rembong bat bunta terter.